Okay, so you have received your exhaust units, you've opened them up, and you have seen this nice large body here, and with it are included a total of 4 rings. Two of them are segmented like this, which means that they have separate pieces, okay? The other one is not segmented. That's important because in the case of this one, you'll adjust sizing, and on this one, you will not. This one installs down here in this bottom channel. Okay, let's just dive right into how to install the rings into your exhaust air interface. So we're gonna start with the one that goes on the bottom, which is down here. And if you look inside, you've got corresponding zippers. That's what holds everything together. You're gonna start at your zipper. You're gonna do that by pulling this apart, and you will feed it in behind the zipper. It's gonna pop out the other side here. You will complete the ring, and then you will put it inside this air interface, at which time you begin zipping. Okay, you're gonna just make the run all the way around. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and install the upper ring. Okay, since we've already got the one down here done, we're gonna find that second zipper up top. We're gonna get our ring, we're gonna pull it apart, and we're gonna start feeding it in. Go in here, bring it around, close it, tuck it down inside there. Once you've done that, just like you did before, go ahead and run your zipper around the perimeter. Just like that. They're in. There they are. That gives you something to hold on to when you connect your ducting. Okay? Next segment.